Hi guys, I'm Saqib and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the loops in Python. So let's move towards our coding session. Okay. Hello guys, I'm Saqib and today we are going to discuss about the loops in this whole session. So be with me and let's move towards our coding. Okay, now we will open our PyCharm. As I already told you how you need to install the PyCharm, how you can install your Python, and now let's do some coding stuff. Okay, now here we make another file. Like here I will make a Python file that is loops.py. Okay, now here you can write your code. Like, what are the loops in the Python? First, if you have to iterate a certain set of instructions multiple times, then you can use loops there. Like in Python we have while loop, we have for loop. As you see in previous programming language, you have for loop, you have while loop. Same in case of Python, we have the same loops. So let's first move towards the for loop. We can write the for. I can say for, here I can move it directly for I in range. Okay, for I in range I can say from 0 is the starting limit, and the ending limit you can put it there, like for up to 10, and I have to print, and I will print. Okay, if I print I, here it will be displayed 0 to 10. Okay, let's run this program. First I will tell you a basic stuff. Here is the loops and you'll get a result. 0 to 9 got printed out. Okay, if you want to, here you can, first you have to understand that it means that less than 10, not equals to 10. So now after that there's another field which we call at the increment field. If we add 2, so it will increment it every stuff by 2. So if I run this program on loops here, so it will say 0 to 4, 6, 8, and again less than 10. So if we put 11 there, here it will show that 0 to 4, 8, 10. Okay, that's it. So this is a simple type of loop in Python. Okay, now what you can get from loops, where the loops will be used in Python. It's the for loop. I show you how you can use your for loop. For example, we have to display the names of a particular person. Like we have a list of the names. Okay, we'll say names equals to, and here I can write that I have the name of Nasib, Saqib, and Mefsal. Okay, now I need to display those names with the help of loops. So one by one I have to display name of 0, name of 1, name of 2. But if I have to display all the names in one go, we can use the for loop. I can say for I in range. No need to use the brackets in case of Python. For I in range, I can say that from 0 to, and we can see that we can also write that names dot length property, like what is the length of this list till the times the loop will get iterated, and after that we have to write the print, and we can write the names of I here. Okay, that's it. You can run your program and the list will get displayed. We have another type of loop. We don't need to use this type of length things. We will say for I, or I can say for name and names. Okay, whatever the name is inside the names, get it one by one and display it here. So I'll say print of name. Okay, every time you try to iterate the loop and display your name. So first is it comes from this section, Saqib and Nasib, Saqib and Mifsal, and from this one from the other section, Nasib, Saqib and Mifsal. So guys, hope you understand those type of loops in Python. Next loop what we have here is the for while loop. So how we can use the while loop here? First we have to comment it. You can put the control / for comment. Okay, so we will get move down and we have to display, we have to move towards the while loop. In case of while loop, we have to declare, like we have to write that I equals to 0, like I start from 0 while I is less than or equals to 10, and we have to write the print and I. So what's the meaning of this? Like if I is less than 10, it continuously checks, yeah, 0 is less than 10, yeah, it is, yeah, print 0, again 0 is less than 10, but we have to increment this after printing up. So I plus equals to 1 here. So what it shows, 0 is less than 10, yeah, 0 get printed. After that it will increment to 1, 1 is less than 10, yeah, 1 get printed. After again increment to 2, 2 is less than 10, 2 got printed. Okay, again it will print up to 10, 10 is less than 10, yeah, 11, 11 is less than 10, and after that it moves to a 12. When it moves towards 11, 11 is not less than or equal to 10, it's greater than, so the loop will get terminated here, it will come outside. Okay, here, so now in the outside we can print another message like we are outside the loop. So first we run this, check that how it will work. Yeah, 0 to 10 got printed up here, so easy way you can do everything. So here if we have to print with the help of while loop, we have to print the names of a list. So how you can do that? You have to write the print and you will say that print, I can say, but my printing is not up to 10, it's up to is less than or equal to names dot, again length you have to use here because it's is less than or equal to names dot length. So I can use the equal sign here. Okay, here I will just say like what you have to print. We'll say that print, I have to print the names of, and names of I means names at 0 location, names at 1 location, names at 2 locations. So here, yo, something got, yeah, something problem is there, like we have not given it we have not incremented it, so we will increment it. If we doesn't increment it, it will always remains at the position 0 and it will continuously iterate up to the infinity. Like 0 is less than names, yeah, 0 is less than names, 0 is less than names, 0 is less than names, or continually it will print you 0 0. That is the Nasib get printed continuously here, but we have to increment it so it will move towards the one section, like that is Saqib get printed. After that move towards the one section, Mafsal get prints. After that it will move towards one more and there is nothing, so it will, the loop will get terminated. So here let's do it, and that's the Saqib Nasib Saqib as well. Yeah, it will show something list to index out of range because we are printing here that less than or equal to, it tells that like the list is of 3 length, but you are checking the fourth one here. Fourth one is not available, so that's the reason it shows some list out of index error. So guys, you understand loops. We have two types of loops here. One is the for loop and the while loop. You understand what for do, whatever, both the loops do the same type of loop, but the difference lies in the syntax. You can use both the loops. You can access the list with the help of those loops. You can also use it for dictionaries, for other purpose, like a lot of stuff will be happen with the help of loops. Hope you understand this video. Like my content. If you get a lot of from my video, subscribe to my channel and push the bell icon so that you will get notified every time whenever I post my new videos. Okay guys, thank you, best of